So take your long strap and then fold the long edges towards the center, because you're going to draw a center line down the long edge. And then you fold the long edges to meet that center line. You can use glue, you can use your double-sided tape to do this. Now fold the long edges in half again and use clip to hold them in place. Then you take this to the sewing machine and sew around all edges of the long strap with 1/8 seam allowance. Then now you install your slider. Okay, then slide on one swivel hook. Then also thread the raw edge of the strap as I am doing in the video. Okay, then use river to hold the raw edge, the short edge together. And then for the other short edge, slide on the second slider and then also use river to hold it together in place. Okay, now your strap is all done.